girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the man.
Let's play a little, just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be cops and robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain. Maybe my big son, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my big
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing this closure unit from them. This is a 7x5 closure unit and this is a bob, you guys. This is a curly closure bob and it has a nice deep side part, as you guys can see. I did kind of switch it up just a little bit and I just shifted the unit over, but this is the finished look. This is how it came out. Now I did do a review of this unit in a different color not too long ago, and it was like this really pretty, it was like a blood orange kind of color. It was really pretty, and I seen that they had some other colors available as well, so I wanted to go ahead and give that a try, of course. And I am reviewing this brown version of the unit. So this is an up close look at the color, and mine is a little bit wet, so certain parts may look a little bit darker, but this is the beautiful color. It has a nice jet black root here, and as you guys can see, it's pre-plucked to perfection. None of this here is glued down. Over here I do have some baby hair actions that I was able to do. I even created like a little sideburn, you know what I mean? Y'all know me, I know how to finesse, okay? So it looks more like a lace front even though it is just a closure, you guys. And this side over here is shorter, so this bob is more like a asymmetrical type of bob, in a sense. Like it basically is shorter in the back, and then as you guys can see, when you get to the front, it has a nice like angle here. Same thing with this side, it's shorter in the back here, and then it goes down into this angle. So I really like the cut that they did on this bob. It's just a little bit different from like your typical bob. Now this unit can be worn as a completely glueless install. You don't have to do the baby hairs or anything like that, but I just, you know, wanted to add a little extra something to it just to switch it up a little bit, and this is what I came up with, you guys. But yeah, I love the fact that it came ready to wear right out of the package, and just look how beautifully the knots are bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. It also comes with a pre-cut lace as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the comb test for you guys on this side just to show you that none of this is glued down, and you guys see like how natural this hairline looks. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna take that comb and go right up underneath that lace, you guys, and you see it lays super flat. I love the fit of this unit, you guys. It definitely it fits me so snug. It fits me perfectly, and this unit does come with 2 straps in it. So you get the adjustable elastic band that you can hook in or you can take it out, and then you also have the adjustable straps in the back along with a long comb. So you have a lot of extra security, and that's essential when it comes to a glueless install or any type of ready to wear units like this, is to have the 2 straps, because it really just helps melt it a lot better. As you guys can see, I was able to literally just glide that comb right up underneath the lace, and it still looked very seamless and it still looks very natural. So if you're not into the baby hair, then as you guys can see, you don't have to do baby hair. And this unit is from Unice's Amazon store, so if you are like an avid Amazon shopper, this is gonna definitely be a unit you might want to check out. Like, who knew that Amazon has such great units? I really like this unit. Now I do currently have this unit in a 12-inch, so if you guys are wondering what length I picked, I did pick a 12-inch unit, and this is what it looks like. Now keep in mind, even though it is 12-inch, it is cut. This is a unit that they're gonna go based off of the heaviest part, which would be here in the front, and as you guys can see in the back, it does get really short. So when they say 12-inch, this is what their 12-inch looks like. So it's not gonna be like your typical bob unit where it like hits a little bit lower, like the entire unit hits lower. It's usually just, for this particular unit, based on the cut, it's just here in the very front where the pieces are a little bit longer, and they go off of the stretch length. So pulling the hair, it goes to right about here, so that's how they base the length off of it. I really do like the cut of this. I just feel like it's really pretty, and I like the fact that, like I said, it's ready to wear. It's perfect for any beginners out there, and it's quick and easy to install. You don't really have to do anything as far as like styling goes. I just used a little bit of water. I don't have any product in here or on the hair. It's just regular water, and I just allow the hair to air dry, and this is just what it looks like. And this is without any like curl products or anything. I really do like the curls in this unit. I think they look really pretty. If you have a diffuser, you can use that, and you can make this unit like fuller, like bigger and more defined, if that's something that you want to go for as far as like a look. But as you guys can see, I was still able to like put the hair behind my ear and everything. You don't have to have it like that. You can of course have it, you know, in front of your ear if that's not like your kind of vibe. But yeah, I really like how this came out, and I think it looks really pretty. This is a really cute bob. I think this would be perfect for the springtime. I know right now we're in winter, so something like this is a little bit, you know, cold. Your neck might be cold. Here is a nice up close look at the unit as well. I just think the color compliments me, and it's a very subtle color. It's nothing too crazy. It's a nice subtle thing, and I just cannot get how natural this is. Like, look how good it looks, you guys. Like, and you still have a lot of parting space, so if you want to part it down the middle, you can. You don't have to have it like in a side part. You can have it down the middle and have like a whole different kind of look. Just wanted to show you guys how deep this parting space can actually go, and it can go deeper than this as well. I'll show you how deep the parting space goes. So okay, my part is crooked, but you guys get the point. Like, you don't have to wear it in a side part if you don't want to, and you still have space over here. So if you don't want to wear it on this side, you can flip sides, and I'm going to show you. So the track starts somewhere around here. Let me just show you guys that. So the tracks are here, and it goes in a curve. And you can always shift the unit as well, but you do get, you know, from down here all the way over here, you get a lot of space in the front. So I like that. And you don't have to only wear it like as a side part. You have a ton of room to work with and be, you know, a little versatile when it comes to this unit. And that's the key thing for any unit, at least for me, is the versatility of it. Because especially if you're not trying to buy a new unit all the time, not everybody has money to just like buy new, you know, wigs all the time. So something that is versatile and you can get a lot of different looks out of one unit, I think that is essential, and it makes for a better experience as far as like the hair is concerned. How do you guys feel about today's look? Let me know your thoughts down below. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Unice Hair, for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching and supporting me and my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.